Mr. Aarron Deliu from Australia for his portion of the 2025 Joint Base Andrews Airshow. He'll be climbing out the altitude and getting ready to get underway here just momentarily. Get ready for some high performance rock and roll aerobatics.
Deliu.
Ladies and gentlemen, your 2024 Air Masters Cup champion, reigning Sky Grand Prix champion, former Australian Unlimited Aerobatic champion, record holder for the highest scoring position of any Australian airline pilot in Unlimited World Competition, International Airshow pilot and champion aerobatic and air-race pilot, Mr. Aarron Deliu.
There's a guy from Australia.
Here he comes, coming straight down. Look how dizzy he's going to be. These are the guys that fly like the
Tumbling all the way across the top of it. They see upside down, right side up. It happens very quickly as he's in a 9-inch spin as he heads towards the ground. This aircraft has a roll rate of over 400 degrees per second. Aarron right back up in the sky. Now he's going to be pulling anywhere sometimes up to 6 to 7 Gs. That's 6 to 7 times his normal body weight as he corkscrews across the sky, hangs on the tail. Look at that. Still hanging on the tail. The tail slide, pulling back through his own smoke. Somewhere there is Aarron. There he comes, tumbling out. Again in a 9-inch spin. Now you hear us talk about G-forces. G-forces are the force of gravity that play for a pilot's body. All of us out here today are experiencing 1 G of gravity. If you're 100 pounds, you feel like you weigh 100 pounds. But if you went into a 4G turn, it makes you feel like you weigh 400 pounds. So when you talk about forces at 6 to 7 times your own body weight, you can imagine the force of gravity that pulls on Aarron. And there's some negative G's right there. That's the force of gravity. Want to throw him out of the cockpit. Only his shoulder harnesses and seatbelt keep him in the plane. Again, snapping on the vertical upline. Watch as the aircraft comes to a stop in the sky right there. Into a flat inverted spin. Rolls out of it and heads back towards show center. Again, there's that fast roll rate of the extra 330. Watch as Aarron repositions, going straight up, tumbling across the top. Watch this. He's going to slow the aircraft way down. Look at this. He pulls that tail up underneath him. Holds it. Again,
there they go up into the Thunderbirds.
Control speed. That's the power of the engine keeping him up. Points the nose down, he quickly accelerates. Again, airspeed always essential for the next aerobatic maneuver. Here we go. Going vertical now, going straight up. Slow rolls on the vertical upline. Now watch as the aircraft again just begins to slow way down. Still rolling the aircraft. Building up airspeed tremendously as it points down and heads towards show center. Again, there's that roll rate right into knife edge climb. Tumble back into knife edge climb. Snap back. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Holding the aircraft on the nose one more time. Rolling, spinning, going, and roll. Finally, gravity pulls that nose down. With Mr. Aarron, Deliu. How you doing, sir? Yes, sir. Loud.
Thank you, super cool.
Can I get one? How does it feel to be up in the air? What's up over here? Oh, it's glass. It's so much fun. You're having a great time up there.
Yeah, please.
Let's get this here. We're ready for part 2.
Thanks.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, keep an eye on this. Watch this. As it comes down the 45, let's snap that plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, look at that incredible handling of the Action 330. Woo! Again, there's about 5 to 6 positive G's. Woo! Vertical. Going straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, and the torque roll. That's the plane rolling in the opposite direction. Again, negative G's and force of gravity trying to work on the cockpit as it goes in a flat, inverted spin. Colors in the inverted. Woo! Pull out those shoulder harnesses, sir.
Another autograph that I just signed. That was another autograph to sign. That was from Wingwalker Sam. Oh, he's down there. Ah! He's making sure he checks the plane before he takes off. It's maintained and good to go. Seeing another high-speed Aarron. Our announcer was our same announcer from Flying Circus Pro Rooster. Yep, it was. It's an Aarron in the air. Aarron Deliu. Now it's an extra. Sometimes it's an MXS you see with Scott Francis.
Literally slamming on your brakes.
Like Michael Goulian, I'll see today, will dedicate this to his good friend Rob Holland.
I don't know. Amazing, sir. Absolutely amazing.
He was about 5 feet from the grass, then pulls back up.
All the way around. Look at the microwave, ladies and gentlemen. That small in the sky. Yes. Pulls across the top. Quickly reverses direction that quickly, ladies and gentlemen. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Snap the aircraft. Watch as airspeed bleeds off, bleeds off, bleeds off, bleeds off, bleeds off. Right there, ladies and gentlemen, almost no forward airspeed whatsoever. He's turned that aircraft into a helicopter, just hanging in the sky. Look at that. Still holding. That's fantastic, sir. Oh my, you didn't hold this long yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, what did you think of that? Never a dull moment with Aarron Deliu and the controls of the extra 330. Here he comes from your right.
Aarron Deliu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the vertical and upside down pass. And now one thing you gotta remember when you're upside down, your controls are reversed. If you want to go up, you better put the stick down. I think he's having too much fun up there today. What do you think? Watch out, he approaches from your left. I'm watching. And the knife edge pass. Beautiful opportunity right there. Aaron, I gotta ask you real quick, did you get your sunglasses fixed? I apologize for breaking them this morning. Now watch this, ladies and gentlemen. He's setting up for landing right now. Well, wait a minute, you say he's going vertical. No, he's setting up for landing. Watch this. He's going to take that aircraft across the top, point the nose down, going to go to a flat inverted spin again. This is probably the craziest landing you'll see any aircraft perform. Recovers, kicks a little rudder in there, get a little side slip, brings the nose right back down, and touches the ground. How's that for an approach to land?